Hi, it's Jenny Dye. I am here in St. George, Utah with some new friends today. Would you like to introduce yourselves, please?
I'm Scott Hinsey.
Janice Hinsey from Manti, Utah.
Manti, Utah. Now, what is going to be happening soon in Manti, Utah, about which you two happen to be experts?
We are so excited to announce the Manti Temple Open House. It'll be March the 14th through April 5th, 3 weeks, and we invite all of our friends and neighbors to come and see the most beautiful temple, the Manti Temple, historic pioneer temple. It will be a great experience for everyone to see.
So, an open house for a temple that isn't new. How long have renovations been going on?
Well, I'm not sure. I want to say maybe, 3.5 years or 3 at least?
Yeah, but
Probably.
it's finally ready to be shown to the public and rededicated.
It is. And, the residents there are just really excited to have the temple finished and be able to go back and worship in the temple. We were temple workers there prior.
Oh, wonderful.
So we're excited to get back.
And so you said March 14th through April 5th, so it ends right before General Conference. So what would you say to those who live not just in Manti, but throughout the state of Utah and beyond about why they should come, make reservations, get tickets, and come to the Manti Open House?
Well, Manti Temple is a little unique in the fact that it is a historic temple. It's a pioneer temple, and it's different than all of the temples in the church, and it has retained that historic feel, and it's just the workmanship in the temple is magnificent.
Well, and I want to remind everybody that it's only 3 weeks. Other temple open houses have been longer, so we all procrastinate a little bit. So come down before it's over. The other thing we find as we talk to people outside of our area is that everybody seems to have a connection with the Manti Temple. Either their parents were married there, they were married there. There just seems to be a connection with Sanpete County and the temple. And so I know a lot of people are thinking they're going to come, but the dates come up fast. So put it on the calendar and come on down. So
Wonderful. It sounds very special. So, as a reminder, Manti Temple Open House, March 14th through April 5th. Do not delay in getting tickets and making your plans to go to the open house for a 3-week limited engagement.
yes, and if you don't get a ticket, come anyway. We're not going to turn anyone away. It just helps us know and help to plan on who's coming. And we will say that it is a historic temple, and so if you have a hard time climbing stairs, it's going to be a little bit difficult to see all of it, because there's a lot of stairs in the temple, as you probably know. But come and enjoy this beautiful temple, and then come again when it's open and after it's dedicated. That's the true treasure, is worshiping in the temple.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful. Thank you both so much. It's been a pleasure getting to know you today, and we really look forward to seeing you at the open house.